Hey, Facebook Live, it's Robert Weichelt with EXP, and I've got some really good stuff I want to share with you today. We've got two of the most amazing guys in the industry, and I'm going to get right to it. We've got Bob Mangold. He's going to talk about the auction platform that we talked about today, and of course, Pat Hayes. I call him Mr. EXP. So let's do this. Bob, what do we talk about in terms of the auction platform?
Well, the question becomes, how do we list more properties, right? Because, well, for decades, whoever lists has the most money. And so I always am amazed how many agents want to sit there and like spend money on Zillow leads and Facebook leads and all that. Just go get a couple listings. You want a fast closing? Well, you buy, you list a property here in Southern California, what, $350 to say $6, something like that, and you'll have that thing under contract, what, a couple days?
Sure.
30-day closing, 30, 40 days. Why are you buying all these, Facebook leads and Zillow leads and all that to drip on them for years?
Yeah.
And then we can do open houses like, well, the way that we do them, we get what? Like a bad one is the horrible one's what, 200?
Yeah, bad one's about 200 people.
Our best is what, 568?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
So 568 people in an open house. Well, why do we need to buy Zillow leads or Facebook ads? Like, why do we need to do that?
Yeah.
And so what we want to do is teach agents how to take and list better and then build their teams of agents to sit the open houses, because you couldn't do an open house alone, could you?
No.
Like, not even close.
That's why I have my team.
Right.
There you go.
So you have to have a team. Well, what if we could teach you how to get paid on the team and your commissions and all these other things while you're out there listing?
So taking any listing I need, I can take as many listings as I want, zero commission paid
Zero
if we need
commission,
to.
yep.
We can take the for sale by owners, the expireds, the investors, the builders.
Right.
I mean,
Probate
it's
attorneys, divorce
limitless,
attorneys.
the amount of people we can help.
Right.
So when we do that, and we're driving all these people into our open houses, we can't help but grow our team.
Right.
So that leads me to you, Pat.
Absolutely.
How does that tie into EXP?
Yep. Well, again, Pat Hayes here from San Antonio, Texas, here in sunny California with these gentlemen here. But I'm actually a leader with EXP based out of San Antonio. And I'll tell you what, guys, if you guys do not have an exit strategy for yourself and for your business, you need to get plugged in with us. I'll tell you what, EXP is a phenomenal real estate brokerage firm. We're actually the fastest growing brokerage firm in U.S. history right now. I've been able to actually personally build a revenue share organization of over 2,000 agents spanning 44 states and 4 Canadian provinces, actually paying me a nice residual income revenue share check from our model every single month. And not only just the revenue share check, but also we're able to acquire stock several different ways. So if you're not truly building a legacy in your real estate business, and if you're not truly building wealth in your real estate business, you need to take a look at EXP, because you know what? It's truly been able to change my life financially. I now have time freedom and money freedom as a realtor, and I didn't have that 4 years ago.
Here's the other thing, too. Out of the top 20 brokerages in the United States, Pat has more agents in what he's built than 8 of the 20. He's bigger than Redfin, John L. Scott, Alan Pinnell, right? So he's got more agents than those companies. His business is valued over $40 million.
Woo!
He's 39 years old.
Yeah.
Hey, if I can do it, you can do it. You need to get plugged in with us. EXP's making real estate fun again. I just want to say thanks so much for the invite. Truly love coming here to spend a few hours with you guys and share my true life-changing story that EXP came into my life 4 years ago and truly changed my life and changed my business, and it can definitely do the same for you too.
Yeah, baby.
Well, I tell you what, guys, this has been the most game changer for me.
Yep.
Having been just getting started with this, and we are already blowing it up.
Oh, yeah.
Our open houses are off the charts in terms of the visitors and buyer pre-approvals, and it just ties in beautifully.
Absolutely.
So I appreciate you both.
You bet.
For being
Thanks for
here
having me.
today.
Yep. Thanks for having
your
me.
time.
You bet.
If you have any questions about blowing your business up in 2020, you give us a call.